Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your own storybook with Canva. All right, let's begin. First, create your story using ChatGPT. Enter a prompt like, write a short story for kids, or make it more specific for better results. Review the generated story, regenerate if needed, then copy your final version and paste it into a notepad for easy editing. Next, go to Canva and search for Storybook in the template section. Now, choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Next, add a background image from the Elements tab and set it as the page background. Copy a part of your story from Notepad, insert a text box, and adjust the font, size, and position. Now, generate images using Canva's Dreamlab feature. Get to Canva in a new tab, click on the dots icon, and then select Canva AI. Then, click on the image feature and then describe your character or scene. Next, select the best result. Click on the dots icon and select Copy. Now, get to your main Canva tab and add it to your page. Match images with each part of your story and also insert a frame if you want. You can do that by searching for frames and then adding it onto the canvas. After that, get back to the Canva AI and click on the Add icon. Select the Recent Generations option and choose the selected image. Now, paste the next part of your story to generate another image with a consistent style. If you don't like the images, repeat the steps to generate new ones. Finally, repeat the process for all pages, keeping design consistent and visually engaging. At last, export your design as a flipbook using Canva's sharing options. Click on Share, select More, and click on the See More option. Now, choose the flipbook option and follow on-screen instructions. After that, sign in, and then wait for the process to be completed. So that's basically how you can create your own storybook with Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.